welcome to the live chit chat show organized by Ensemble Entertainment. Ensemble Entertainment is working for last 15 years not only in India but in different countries. They are into event management in corporates, they are doing artist management and celebrity management, they are into many more things. For that details you have to log into the page of Ensemble Entertainments. Well, आप सबको मेरी तरफ से ईद मुबारक। और चलिए इसी आज पाक अवसर में मैं आज अपनी नई गेस्ट को बुलाने जा रही हूँ जिनका नाम है सुनीता सिंह, जो एयर इंडिया की एम्प्लॉई हैं और काफ़ी स्ट्रगल है उनके लाइफ में। तो उनकी लाइफ जर्नी के जानने के बारे में आइए उनको ऑनलाइन बुलाते हैं। Hi Sunita, how are you? A very good evening to you, pretty lady.
Thank you so much. Same to you. Same to you.
So how are you doing today? How are you doing today?
Very good, very good. First of all, happy Eid to all of you all.
Yeah, thank you. I have just said the same thing. Happy Eid to all of you. The thing is that, Sunita, I have just heard about you that you are working in Air India, right? And you are also a self-made artist. Can you just share your journey with us? I would like to hear you, about your journey from childhood to the place you have reached. We know that the journey for a woman is really tough and challenging in every part of life, right? So I would like to hear from you your life journey.
Okay. So hello viewers, my name is Sunita Singh. I am originally from Bihar, but I was born and brought up in Visakhapatnam, and currently I am residing at Bangalore, married, settled, residing in Bangalore, and I'm a cabin crew with Air India currently.
Okay.
And I'm a self-taught artist. I do paintings.
Okay.
I have my own art gallery, and I'm a part-time French tutor as well, and yoga.
Okay.
I teach yoga, and I have a lot of positive things to say.
No, you have done lots. I've seen some of your paintings and they are so deep. So you haven't been trained any time in your life, haven't been in you're the self-taught for saying. So the painting I've seen, it's having a very deep meaning inside them. So where you learn from? Who inspired you for that?
First of all, thank you so much for all the appreciations. And as I told you that I'm a self-taught artist, it was an interest, an inborn interest, and I also had I'd been through few YouTube videos, and that's how I got the inspiration. And I somehow feel that when I get paper or canvas or probably color and the brushes, then the magic just pours in. It is.
So it is inbuilt.
Yes, and in fact, maybe it is hereditary also, since my mom is also, she's a very artistic person. She's into embroidery and all. So probably I've not got into that field, but yes, I try to pour in my talent into the canvas or probably try to bring it live.
Okay. That's means I've seen lots of your painting. It's your Instagram. I think you posted in Instagram and Facebook. It was really amazing, right? It's really very amazing. Just I would like to know that how was your journey from? Have you ever dreamt of being, the queen of sky, or like you always dreamt of being in the sky, or it came to you like accidentally, or you have planned from very earlier from your childhood only?
No, I had never planned for it, but however, to begin with, I belong to a very middle class family, and I was a very mediocre student, not a very top student or whatsoever it is. A very average student with my dreams of my own, and I just believed in myself, and I continued. I did my science. I have science in my background, so I had done my graduation in science. And it just happened to me that I had attended one of the interviews, so I got through, and this is that is the place where the transformation had actually begun. So I got introduced to myself with a different personality, a very different person as such, and that's how Jerryways gave me the opportunity. I had worked with Jerryways for like a good 8 years. Approximately 8 years with Jerryways, and that's how I got to know so many things. I got to explore this whole world, meet new people, new culture, and that's how my journey had started. Not so very great such, but yes, I tried to explore things and I tried to make it very colorful, like how I make my paintings. So that's how life is. It's all bland, but it all depends on you. how you want to
It's
make
an
it.
open canvas. Yeah, it's an open canvas where the way you paint it, it comes out. Hi, Sangeeta. Thank you for joining. I would like to know from you. There's so many questions I have prepared for you. I was very curious to know about you since you're a self-made artist, a beautiful mom, all right? And just the thing is that just tell me regarding the challenges you are facing nowadays in your service. You must be facing lots of challenges due to this COVID pandemic, right? So what kind of challenges and what kind of fear do you people have in mind? Because we are sitting at home, we are maintaining the social distancing and that much we are doing. But you people have to face those people, who are traveling from one place to another. Can you tell me that what kind of challenges or what kind of fear do you have in mind that while serving people out there? What
Yes.
precautions do you take? Hmm.
Yes, we take a lot of precautions. Definitely, yes. To begin with, we take a lot of precautions, but this is a definitely a very difficult situation for us, and I'm sure it is for everybody. But taking those safety measures as a major concern, it's getting very difficult for everybody, in fact. And when I see people on board, but yeah, there's one humble request from my side to everybody, to all the people, those who are seeing, please don't risk your life. And as you think that the situation is quite a bit normal, it is not like that. Even we have families, like all health providers, all health service providers, and everybody. We also have
Yes,
families, fear with which we come inside. The moment I complete my flight, I do everything. It's not just that I've left the fear. It just carries on. It just carries on. It's a very major thing. It's a very, very, very bad situation. In fact, I had seen few of my friends losing their loved ones and near and dear ones due to this situation, and it is all happening. So please take it very
right,
seriously, and please try to maintain all the possible hygienic procedures. Whatever you have to do it. And it is very difficult. Trust me, it is not that easy to work with the PPE kit what we get, the precaution kit what
right.
we get. It is
But
that
still,
that
people are getting contracted.
that is
Still, people are
yes,
getting contracted, right?
yes,
Okay,
yes,
and do you think that if travelers, the passengers are taking that precaution while traveling, or they are just using like not while wearing a mask or something like that? People are doing these things, when they are into some place. हमें क्या होगा? हमें कुछ नहीं होगा. हम तो flight के अंदर में है. So are they like misbehaving or not wearing masks and all? वो ऐसे कुछ
yes,
वहाँ
of
पे भी
course.
लोग
You know
passengers.
that very well, that people here in our country are they take these matters very lightly. But trust me, let's not
Okay,
do it that way. I have seen people, those who come on board with little infants, risking everybody's life, risking the kids'
yeah,
life and like the parents' life. I think they should take it very seriously. It is high time, guys. Please, as long as we don't get a proper vaccination or anything outside, see, we really have no other choice. We have no other choice.
right,
And I have got these questions from my friends itself. Why don't you sit at home? Why? What is the necessity for you to come outside and work as well? But I
right,
somehow
right,
feel
right,
we are all citizens, and it is time for us to become a responsible citizen and to behave as such one. करेक्ट.
right.
अगर
Because
मैं
it's
भी
a
यही
very
सोच
tough
के
time,
घर
na?
पे बैठ जाऊंगी कि हाँ भाई मेरी
So
खुद
who is
की
going to
फैमिली
work?
मेरा हो गया फिर तो. So please
Right.
respect this.
I
This
know
is
you are.
from
Yes, right. But the people should know and respect those people who are working outside. They're risking their life anyways, and you are having a kid at home, right? So that
yes,
means you're
yes,
risking your whole family, right? So that's
yes.
the thing. I know what a mother goes through, or what a person goes through when he used to or she used to work outside, right? So I think that you people are really doing a very great job, and I just say that appreciate your job, and you are really people. You people are real a Corona warrior, a real hero of our
Thank
country.
you.
So keep doing
You
good
will not
job.
believe, Madhuri, you will not believe. When I see my son on video call, I was doing one of my flights, just recent flights of mine. I it just happened to see my son on video call. So he video called me,
Okay,
and then he felt really very proud of me, and he said, my mama is a Corona warrior, and it really made me feel so
okay.
proud. अगर मैं भी यही सोच के घर पे बैठूंगी तो कहाँ से चलेगा? Where will the organization and
Well,
how will the society? I don't say I'm a
just
very
see.
major thing, but yes, this little help of being a responsible citizen, I guess it will help others also. And I really want to be an inspiration for others. See, I'm a homemaker. I
Absolutely.
am a daughter to somebody. I'm a mother to somebody. I have a kid who is like just 6 years old. I
Right.
carry a lot of fear. I come with a lot of fear. try to take a lot of precautions. Definitely, yes. I try to do a lot of yoga and few medications, which of course, yes, I wish if I can share it with my people, so that
Right.
this will help them also to be safe at this situation, because I feel immunity
Absolutely.
is the only passport as per the current situation. Immunity is the only passport to different destinations. So if you are
Right.
well immune to probably various other diseases, then definitely you're good to go anywhere and everywhere. And this is what I
Right.
try to teach the same to my kid. And if I can, convey this message to my viewers, then probably I will be successful for today.
I understand. How old is your kid?
He's
That
just
he is talking so mature. Just 6 year old, and he used to matlab, praise his mom that you go and just fight, you're a Karno warrior and all, everything. It's very nice. They see the 6 year
He
kid can
understands it
understand.
very
So I
well.
pledge.
The moment I come in after the flight, he understands it. Mama, no, we have to maintain distance, and he maintains it. And every time I go outside, he wishes and he prays to God, keeps his fingers crossed. He prays
God.
to God, Mama, be safe, stay safe. So I guess, please, this is a very humble request from my side to all of you all. Take this matter a little bit more seriously. It is time for us, all of us, to be a little bit more serious about it. And
Right.
हाँ, health को भी अपने main priority पे रखिए. And it is not a big
Right.
task. It is not a big task.
Absolutely.
This is why I do yoga, and I really want people to know the importance of yoga. And yeah, all these little things. मतलब योगा करके अपनी immunity strong कर सकते हैं. How to go about it and how to do it. All that I can guide.
At least body and mind balance should be. Yeah, body and mind balance should be there. And
I believe.
Yeah, during lockdown, I've heard many people are, becoming the prey to domestic violence, right? And they're complaining of these things, men to women or women to men, whosoever. I'm not just coming to a particular gender, but many more cases are coming up with, domestic violence, and people are committing suicide, and, many more things is happening. I don't know, means why people are like, getting depressed. So what would you like to say regarding that? Means why this kind of things are coming up according to you?
Okay, so probably I somehow feel that internally people are not prepared, or probably they're not happy with their body, mind, and soul. So there has to be a parallel, a system between all these three functionalities. So this is how
Yes.
yoga will help. See, when you're frustrated from inside, when you see that your work is not getting done, so probably any of the partners, probably man to a woman or women to a man, the domestic violence can happen vice versa or whichever way. So it is a negative
Right.
thing, and the only way to throw out all the negativities and to be positive is imbibe yoga, do something, do a lot of meditation, do a lot of good things, so that you will not throw this negativity to others.
People are having fear of losing something, and they're losing, when they're losing their sanity, right? They're losing their mental balance, and they're just, when they're thinking of the negative side. It's our choice. What I place to people, that please try to, come up with different things in your life. There are lots of things. Actually, we do complain that we are not having time for family. We are engaged in work. Since we are having time for family, why we are complaining then? Right. The first of all, the thing is that
you are on the right track. This is why I had actually started, and I told people, please let us respect this time of being together with your family. You all are so lucky. You have got this time to spend with your family, your kids, and trust me, the fear what I go through, I really don't want anyone to go through that. And it's a very bad situation. It's a very bad feeling.
you must
If
be.
you your family, you're not able to hug them. Please let us be positive. If we are positive, if we spread the positivity, I'm sure there will be no domestic violence. There will be no violence, in fact, no physical, emotional, and financial violence. Nothing at all.
Just the fear of losing something is creating, people into some kind of shell that, they want to break up, and they want to, like, every time they're having own frustration to be put on somebody, right? So you have said very well that balance of mind, body, and soul should be there. For that,
Yes.
we need to have a self-discipline regarding how to eat. So this
Correct.
lockdown, right? Everybody was,
Yes.
facing some kind of circumstances which was not towards us or something were against us. Is like, balancing every time. So how do you tackle this time? What you have done during this lockdown? Anything you have learned, or you have see your own dimension? Like what you have done in this
Of
lockdown?
course. There are so many positive. See, Madhu, if you look around, there are a lot of positive things. But if you look around nothing, then there is yes, it is all negative at all. See, in this lockdown, I I somehow spent some time with myself, and then I thought, maybe the places what all I have seen and I have explored, and through my experience, since I speak French and I've imbibed that local colloquial language. So I thought, why not just use this talent, try and teach this to the people. So that's how I had come up with my series and on YouTube as well. And you will not believe my first
regarding series regarding series. What kind of series?
The French
tutorial. Right. You are also a French tutor. Yeah.
Yes.
That's nice. I'm going to just enroll it.
You will not believe, my first student is none other than my own kid, my own son. So when I thought, if I can actually, spread some positivity, teach something good to my son, why not, let me just spread it all towards, to everybody. And anyways, this knowledge is something is for free. So why not imbibe it, spread positivity, learn something new. And I'm sure we have got a lot of bakers in this pandemic situation. Why to hit each other? Why to spread domestic violence? Why to be so negative for each other and towards each other? Why to be so frustrated? Why not be positive? Just be positive.
अभी तो everything it has time shall pass.
Yes,
time shall pass. The thing is that if this is dark circle,
change is something which is constant. So change has to happen. You have to change as per the current situation. We have to change. We all have to change. But ye change, let's not be too fast to forget that we have someone, a beloved ones, and not respect each other. So just respect each other. I've learned, I've started my French tutorial videos, and I try to teach it to a few kids, especially to my sons. That's how it has all started.
That's absolutely free of cost. You're doing a commitment. You're giving it to society. People need to take what positive things they need to take, what they need to learn. They must, approach towards the positive thing in life, right? So that's you're doing a very wonderful job. That's the thing. So this is very nice. So French tutor, you are French tutor, you are a mother, and what is the side that I haven't explored yet? Any other side of Sunita Singh I haven't explored yet? Kuch aisa side?
There are
a lot. I know.
There are a lot many.
Hi Swati.
Yes, I have not posted my yoga videos yet. So it is my dream.
Okay.
It's my dream. I would like to teach people this yoga also for free, because you will not believe, at a very early age, my journey had started. I had started working too early, and then got hooked up in this bedlock too early. Everything happened so early, and then I delivered a baby boy too early. So it was after delivery, it was very difficult for me to lose that extra pounds, extra pounds which I had got out of delivery.
So would you like to share some so that I can make a use of it?
Yes, of course. I really want
So what exactly?
To know how it is, like there has to be a healthy routine. Not just the diet plays a very major role, but yes, your mind, मन को शांत रखो, अच्छा खाना खाओ, शुद्ध खाना, अच्छा अंदर जो जाना चाहिए सब पॉजिटिव जाना चाहिए, no negativity
जाना चाहिए, खा के रिग्रेट, खा के रिग्रेट नहीं करना, जो खा रहे हो पोषण मतलब माइंडफुल ईटिंग जिसे कहते हैं, माइंडफुल ईटिंग जिसे कहते हैं, एंड योगा फिटनेस पे ज्यादा ध्यान देते हैं. तो दिस इज वेरी नाइस दैट. बट और भी खाने पीने में क्या कुछ ऐसा कुछ डाइट आप मेंटेन करते हो जिसमें लगता है कि ये चीज नहीं होना चाहिए, यू ईट एवरीथिंग इन पोर्शन?
I eat not really everything as such, but I follow there's a very special fasting called as intermittent fasting, so I follow that, which has a pattern of 16 is to do that, in the sense दिन में 2 दिन खाना, दिन में
दो टाइम खाना है,
2 बार खाना, दिन में 2 बार खाना होता है. But in my daily health routine, I start off with warm water, and I do yoga for approximately an hour, a few breathing exercises and all that. And I will try to, I'll try to come up with a few more videos where I can actually help my friends. It's not
Okay,
a rocket science.
that will be
Trust me,
really
it's not
help.
a rocket science.
That will be really help. You know, because in
No.
your industry, people used to your mental, you know, their health also, and from here and overall health is putting very important, right? So that's why I asked you that what kind of eating intermittent fasting I have also heard about. Is the net is lapsing, Sunita?
Yeah.
Sunita is okay. There was internet lapse, I
Yes, yes.
think. It was okay, na?
Yes. Perfect.
It was paused. Huh. Okay, so I just need to say that I have seen many people, you know, judging women like anything, like regarding their dress and behavior. They are ready to judge women, like, you know, when you are wearing shorts or you are in the modeling industry, you are ready to mingle with anybody, right? So has it this kind of incident have come up to your life, like why people do this? You know, if you are in modern or you are wearing shorts, as if like people started judging you, whatever buttons come to their, you know, front of them, a woman wearing this, woman wearing that, they come with a judgment, few judgments regarding the woman. Does it affect you anyways? Like, minds, have you come through all kind of this kind of things in your life?
Of course, yes. Of course, yes. A lot. And I still do. And I somehow feel
Yeah.
it is all because it is all inside here of the society.
Okay.
So it is all in
Right.
here. That's it, and nothing else. This software has to be updated. So what
Yeah,
people
it is very, you
have
know.
been thinking, like how, for example, for instance, now if you watch any Bollywood, item song or anything as such,
Yeah.
people they tend
Hmm.
to objectify a women. So this
Right.
society as such, we have got a mixed society. So this society as such, where the moment they see girls with some, obscene dresses or whatever, so they have picturized something else. So I
Right.
have faced this a lot, and I somehow feel the only better way to deal with it is that society should understand that it is high time to behave that way, or maybe it is time for them to change their mentality. It is time for them to,
Yeah, the
and in fact, it is
education,
time for the
the
ladies to be more bold. Being bold and
yeah,
beautiful is the new change. I somehow feel that is the new change. So that is very
I
important.
know. I
I
think
have
somehow
faced a
there
lot.
means there is a
I
lack
trust
of,
me. I
yeah,
still face this. I still face this. People come up with a lot of with a lot of statements as such that I being a mother, like I shouldn't be working. I shouldn't be working, and I shouldn't be wearing whatever. They have a lot of
mm-hmm.
compliments, or
Yeah, yeah,
not even compliments, a lot of comments on my attire and everything. But I think it is time for all of us right now, especially for the ladies, to keep all those things behind. वो सब पीछे छोड़ो.
yeah.
Just change your thought, your perception, your change everything और डरो मत,
Yeah.
किसी चीज से मत डरो. There is no point.
आप कुछ भी करो, आप कुछ भी करो, people are there to judge you. Anyways, कुछ भी हो
Exactly.
जाए, आप माँ हो तो ये मत करो. Have you means I've seen lot of people, you know, when an independent girl who is, you know, working before marriage, especially they are asked to leave their job after marriage. Particularly क्या होता है कि लड़कियों के ऊपर ज्यादा प्रेशर दिया जाता है कि वो काम ना करे. तो क्यों लड़के काम कर रहे हैं, लड़कियां काम कर रही है, मे बी देयर इज अ लिटिल डिफरेंस इन देयर इनकम दे अर्न. इज इट, डू यू थिंक दैट इट इज ओके दैट की व्हाई गर्ल्स आर ऑलवेज लाइक, यू नो, आस्क्ड टू लीव द जॉब और फॉर द फैमिली, फॉर द सेक ऑफ द फैमिली? क्यों उन पे छोड़ा नहीं जाता कि वो क्या चाहती है?
हम्म.
क्यों हमेशा सेंटर पे आ
देखो,
जाता है?
हाँ देखो यार मधु आई थिंक दिस इज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस इज एन इंडिविजुअल्स चॉइस. या तो फिर मेल काम करे या तो फिर फीमेल काम करे, लाइक पार्टनर में से हस्बैंड काम करे या वाइफ काम करे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस इज एन इंडिविजुअल्स चॉइस. So, but this society has made a trend as such that only it's just the men who are supposed to earn, and females, like women are supposed to sit at home. They are, because they are majorly they are the caretakers at home. ठीक है, वो अलग चीज है. बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट्स एन इंडिविजुअल चॉइस कि हाँ औरतों को काम करना चाहिए नहीं. बट या मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स यस, द लेडीज दे आर प्रेशराइज्ड to quit the job, and this put them into a lot of regret, a lot of frustration, a lot of negativity. In fact, major important thing is depression. क्योंकि ये सब चीजों से क्या ना, दिस इज ऑल interrelated and it is associated to the psychological problem which women they deal with. See, as a female, as a women, we go through a lot. We go through a lot from a childhood. First of all, gender inequality. And secondly, you know, जितना ही हम ज्यादा बड़े होते रहते हैं, you know, we go through a lot of psychological and physical problems such as PCOD, such as menstrual problems, and of course, yes, once you reach 40s and all, then you are on the verge of getting, getting through that menopause and the problems and the psychological problems related to this. तो क्या होता है, ये इतना ज्यादा हो जाता है, एंड स्पेशली जब एक काम छोड़ने को बोला जाता है, इट इज समथिंग यू विल नॉट बिलीव मधु. पीपल, आई स्टिल हैव माय फ्रेंड्स एंड माय फैमिली सजेस्टिंग एंड रेकमेंडिंग मी नॉट टू वर्क जस्ट बिकॉज माय हस्बैंड इज अ डॉक्टर. दे कम अप विद अ स्टेटमेंट दैट यू नो काम करने की क्या जरूरत है. बट हाथ जोड़ के मैं बोलती हूँ, ये मैं पैसों के लिए नहीं कर रही हूँ, बिकॉज आई वांट टू कीप माय सेल्फ एंगेज्ड एंड दिस गिव्स मी अ लॉट ऑफ सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट.
Something, yeah, absolutely. It has to be like what a girl wants.
A man can't feed me, or man can't, you know, keep me happy with the money probably. But yes, what feeds me is my self-respect and it's my ego, you know, which
absolutely
the self-respect which I get. And most probably, you know, see, I had all, past, when looking at my past, you know, I had got an opportunity to work with the best airlines of of the world, like Qatar and also Emirates. But I didn't opt to work as such because मेरे को था कि, you know, I really wanted to do something for our country. So this is why you know, I joined Jet. I had an option of, you know, going somewhere else, you know, any other international airline, but I always chose Jet because I am so close to my country and I really have it inside my heart, and I feel so proud when I see that Tiranga. I feel so nice. It makes me feel so proud, and especially when I go abroad and I represent my country. Ki yes, this is it. And trust me, is चीज के लिए I can never stop thanking Jet Airways for this, because
and the Tricolor has a different, you know, a kind of strength which
it has a different feeling. So through Jet Airways as a platform, I could represent myself, I could help my people, the people of my country and all. So I feel very nice. वो एक अलग चीज है. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू वर्क, लाइक यू नो, काम करने दे या नहीं काम करने दे, पहली चीज तो ये तो पर्सनल चॉइस है, दिस इज योर इंडिविजुअल चॉइस. एंड दूसरी चीज, व्हाट हैपेंस नॉर्मली दैट यू नो, a lady, you know, post delivery, then you have that pressure of taking care of elderly people and your kids and everything. So I somehow feel they start losing themselves. Right. They start losing, you know, their own identity. They start losing everything, and slowly this pushes them into loneliness. So
now bearing a child becomes bearing a child is a problem.
I started working also because, you know, I wanted to engage myself into something very positive instead of looking into the negativity of my life. So देखो यार, somehow एक housewife का जो काम होता है ना, that is a very big thing. That is like an endless job where you're not even paid.
Earlier people used to say, करती क्या हो, घर पे तो रहती हो सारा दिन.
Exactly.
And it was like, you know, and they are doing huge lot of work from morning to evening.
Now people say the same.
They are saying, I don't know what kind of mindset they have. I asked them, because, you know, I have 2 sons and I'm teaching them everything, every choice of life, right? Because I want to be them to be independent. They should learn each and every aspect of life, every work of life. ऐसा कुछ बांटा नहीं किया. ये बचपन से हमें सिखाया था कि झाड़ू मारने के लिए लड़कियां, खाना बनाने के लिए लड़कियां. What is this? It is not like that. You have to work. That means you have to work for yourself first. That is the thing. What I mean to say, I taught them like this. तो ये चीज चलता आ रहा है. मैं थोड़ी different तरीके से अपने बच्चों को मैंने रेज किया है. I hope you are also trying to raise your kids in a different way.
Exactly.
ये पहले वाली चीज हम भी. Okay.
I think it all starts from home itself. It all starts from the house, the premises that we are living in. See, let us first of all, it is time for all of us to change. And as I already mentioned that the change is constant, we all have to change. The change starts from the home itself. Yes, gender inequality की हाँ लड़की है तो काम करो, लड़का है तो काम नहीं करो, a big no to this.
जिसको काम करना है, जिसको काम करना है वो काम करेगा. right?
independent. हाँ,
Absolutely, and it will keep you engaged.
Yes,
Right.
engage yourself, and moreover, you know, you know, it all teaching all starts from the house itself. So first
Right.
thing what I do is, you know, even I try to teach my kid first of all, first and foremost thing I try to teach him is respect of women, no matter what.
Right.
She could be
Right.
your mother, she could be your friend, she could be your sister, anybody, anybody. आई होप अगर ये चीज हमारे सारे घरों में हमारी सारी माताएं अगर ये सब करने लगे, then I'm sure the society will, you know, will be probably on the verge of changing or changing something for something very good. So
At least we can try to change.
Exactly.
Yeah, let's change one home, the whole world will change on it itself, right?
Exactly.
So what I believe that कि एक घर को change करो, एक family change करो, उसके बाद फिर अपना world change हो जाएगा. Well, और भी कुछ चीज पूछना था कि जैसे कि वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट के लोग बात करते हैं, तो आप फ्यूचर प्लानिंग में जैसे कि आप वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट के लिए जैसे आप बता रहे थे कि मैं योगा क्लासेस वगैरह लोगों को एम्पावर करने के लिए करूंगी, तो व्हाट अकॉर्डिंग टू यू कैन थिंक दैट यू कैन यू नो एम्पावर वुमेन इन व्हाट सेंस? तो आपके हिसाब से क्या लगता है कि आप वुमेन को किस तरह से एम्पावर करना चाहेंगे?
मेरे हिसाब से सबसे पहले women herself is a very powerful human being. Women itself अपने अंदर की शक्ति को जानो. See, even if you're a housewife, that doesn't mean you're nothing at all. मुझे लगता है that really doesn't mean you're nothing at all. See, being a housewife, you are so many things. You are actually so many things. But if we get a push and if we get an encouragement from our house, from our family, from our friends, then probably this will take you to another level. Today, whatever I am definitely not just because, you know, मैं वैसी हूँ. So I guess, you know, families भी अगर समझने लगे ना, तो ये women empowerment will go to another level where society will understand. अगर औरतें बढ़ी तो country बढ़ेगा. This is, I am not saying this. In fact, our Prime Minister मोदी जी ये बात बोलते हैं. औरतें बढ़ी तो कंट्री बढ़ेगा, तो सब कुछ बढ़ेगा. So I think, and nowadays, in fact, nowadays when you see academic performance of a women, like of females, are much better than males. I think it is. Right. It is. So और women empowerment मैं क्या करूँगी? So when it comes to that thing, then probably I can only thing I can do is probably educate people about how to keep yourself fit from inside and outside, to feel good, to feel beautiful, to feel confident. Yeah, confidence एक बार आता है ना, then I'm sure your story will take off.
But have the courage to stand for yourself. That's the thing. Obstacles will always be there. Obstacles will always be there. The thing is that you need to have a courage to stand, you know, at par, or you have to stand for yourself first. तो बहुत अच्छा लगा सुनीता आपके साथ बात करके. अभी जो लास्ट का जो मतलब काफी नॉलेज मिली, एक जानना चाहिए कि इंसान एक पैंडेमिक में किस तरह से अपने आप को संभालता है, बाहर की दुनिया में जो ड्यूटी करने चाहते हैं उनके रिस्क फैक्टर्स क्या है. काफी सारे इन्फॉर्मेशन आपसे बातचीत करके हमें मिला है. थैंक यू फॉर दैट. बट एक चीज और है कि लोगों को मतलब ये समझना चाहिए कि जो लोग दुनिया के मतलब बाहर जा रहे हैं, मतलब हाउ दे आर रिस्किंग देयर लाइफ and why they should stay at home for their for saving their life only. We are not asking people to come out and do.
It's not just about risking their own life. It's about risking someone else's life also. Yeah, and I've seen people especially in our country, I've seen people, those who are quite a bit recklessly, they've been traveling without any masks, without any facials, nothing at all, no protection, because you're risking someone else's life as well.
Right, absolutely.
I have a family. Even I have a family. You might not have that fear. You might be a big, you might be a big superhero, probably a superwoman or anything as such. But हमारे भी तो परिवार है यार. You know, you not believe I'm not meeting my friends at this time because since I'm on my duty, I'm coming back and I'm trying to quarantine myself. That pinches me also. But try to keep yourself calm. बस कुछ नहीं. This is the best we can do. ये बस situation है, ये दौर है, ये चले जाएगा, सब गुजर जाएगा. Everything will be perfectly fine and much better than what we are facing today.
Right. So चलिए अभी आपके साथ एक रैपिड फायर खेलने का टाइम आ गया. So be alert. हाँ. तो चलिए खेलते हैं एक रैपिड फायर. फटाफट एक क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हो जाए. Okay. Your favorite color?
Red.
Food?
Sorry? Food?
Your favorite food?
Biryani. Anytime.
Biryani. Anytime. Wow. It doesn't feel looking at you eat biryani. Well, your first crush?
My first crush, Ayushmann Khurrana.
Wow. I'm just not in the silver screen in real life. Wow. Was there any crush in your life? I'm not asking about any silver screen.
I'm telling you, Ayushmann Khurrana, I'm so crazy for him. I'll go marry him.
So
I've seen a lot of celebrities, but not him yet.
So Ayushmann Khurrana is really blessed to have have a fan follower and a crush like you. So okay, your favorite holiday, your favorite holiday destination?
I want to go to Mauritius.
Mauritius. Okay,
Yes.
very nice. Acha, the best compliment you have got till date? The best compliment you have got till date?
I don't remember the best compliment as such, but yeah, beautiful. It's a very common. It's a very common compliment. The best as such, I don't remember. अब इतने compliments अब नहीं मिलते on those days, but yeah, beautiful.
तो
And I'm
मिलते थे
happy with that. That's
तो
the
बेस्ट
best for me.
हाँ वही चीज। तो कौन सा बेस्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट आज तक मिला? हस्बैंड ने क्या दिया या फिर आपके कलीग्स क्या देते हैं देन और व्हाट एवर सबसे बेस्ट वाली कॉम्प्लीमेंट आपको क्या मिली है? दैट्स व्हाट आई एम आस्किंग।
Okay, so that way, I think people feel it very quite surprising that I'm a homemaker, mother bee, and then at the same time flying and everything. I don't know. Compliment is just beautiful. Nothing as such. As such, I don't remember. मुझे अभी याद नहीं आ रहा. याद आएगा तो जरूर बताऊँ.
याद आएगा तो प्लीज डू मैसेज मी, ओके?
Definitely.
Maybe from your secret admirer. So who is the inspiration in your life? Inspiration
It's
in your
my
life?
dad. My dad. I've lost
Your
him
dad.
though. Yes, I've lost
Okay.
him. He's passed away, but he's my inspiration, and he's taught me how to live in the society with all the negativities, how to be positive. He's the one who's actually imbibed yoga in my
Okay.
system
Very
itself.
nice.
So he is my inspiration, and I have learned how to face all the difficulties and be a very good person. In fact, all because of him.
Very nice, very nice. Acha, any one thing would you like to change about yourself? If I ask any one thing, would you like to change about yourself?
Okay, earlier I used to think that मैं लड़की की पैदा हुई, but now I don't think. Now I don't think. अरे यार इतनी मुश्किल हो गया, you have to handle so many things. You have 20 hands together. Still with lot of questions and confusions, and God knows so many conclusions. So now nothing maybe, yeah. This one thing I really wanted to change one time, but now I'm okay.
You're okay with it. So nothing, you have nothing to change in yourself, right? You have
In
nothing to,
my-
you like to change.
Okay. That then I have one thing to change. मुझे
हाँ,
गुस्सा
say.
ज्यादा आता है कभी-कभी. मुझे थोड़ा सा
Okay.
गुस्सा ज्यादा आता है. So I would actually like to work on it.
So you're working on it. I think you are doing yoga and everything in meditation and you're
Yes.
mastering in it, right? So I think
Yes.
that will also come to. तो चलो गुस्सा सबको आता है, उससे आना भी चाहिए कभी-कभी. It's an emotion that is coming out. Okay, what makes you happy and what makes you sad?
Okay, what makes me happy is my son smiled.
Wow.
He
And what
that
makes you
makes
sad?
me happy. Okay, what makes me sad is to stay apart from him.
Oh.
So the saddest feeling is he's right in front of me and I'm not even able to hug him. That's the
My
saddest feeling. I
God.
really don't want anyone to go
Saddest.
through that. That's very bad. That's really very bad.
Yeah, really, really. And the worst advice you have ever got? The worst,
The worst
advice.
The worst advice, of course, I've got so many. But
Right.
as of now, what I remember is that don't work, stop working. Of course,
Okay,
again, on
okay.
my
Again.
attire.
So that is centering around this, the woman thing every time.
Yeah.
Don't work,
Yeah.
don't do this,
I'm
don't
sure
do that.
everybody gets
So-
it. Everybody.
So thanks a lot for coming to our show. And just I would like to ask you, what would you like to tell to our viewers? So
Okay,
many of
first
your
of
friends
all-
have joined. At least they are waving at you. Say hi to them. Lots of friends,
Hey, hi,
have joined. Yeah.
Hi, people.
So
Okay.
what kind of things you would like to, any advice or what would you like to say to our viewers?
Okay, first of all, thank you so much to bring me and to bring me in here, and for this lovely opportunity. I've always wanted to, have a platform where I can speak my heart out, and
Right.
with you, definitely yes. This is like, I'm blessed to spend this
Yeah.
moment with all of you all. एंड उसके बाद में हाँ बस इतने ही फिलहाल के लिए तो इतने ही है एंड
And
yeah,
stay
happy
safe,
to all
stay
of you all.
home.
Be positive.
Yes.
Stay home. Stay safe. Please respect the situation, since you all have the opportunity to stay together. Be
Yeah.
united and speak your heart out to your own family members. Don't keep the grudges
Absolutely,
back.
and respect girls, respect women, whatever
Yes.
kind and they are. But the thing is that you need to respect the woman and try to inculcate a proper education in your family and kids. So
Yes.
that's what I also need to say. And it has been a very lovely time with you, Sunita. Let's talking to
Same
you. I
here.
think I don't feel like stopping, but the clock is
Same
ticking, and I
here.
have to end up my meeting here. I hope to call you again in one of my meet again. Love you, and just take care. Bye.
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 Take
Bye. Have a nice time. Take care.
you too.
And hi guys, so we had a lovely chat with Sunita Singh. Hope आपको सारे messages clear हैं और आपको काफी कुछ जानने को मिला है. तो चलिए नेक्स्ट वीक हम फिर एक नए गेस्ट के साथ आएंगे. तब तक आप अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. एंड जो लोग ये शो मिस कर चुके हैं वो यूट्यूब या उस ऑसम्बल के पेज में, या आपके सारे ये जो प्रोग्राम थी, ये लाइव चैट शो आपको देखने के लिए मिलेगा. तो काइंडली लॉग इन टू द ऑसम्बल पेज एंड सी यू एंड टेक केयर.